So hi Dr. Nakul and team number 7, this is Whitchurch Muthumani. So as part of our final project, so one of the things I had to do was I had to learn how to control the robot arm, right? So it's able to lift an object and place an object and vice versa. And so here is a report of my learning curve, and this is a milestone which we accomplished for say the project, for the final project. So I've written the Python code. I had to learn the API for this robotic system. It's called a robot, and I'm going to run the demo now and show you guys how it works. So here is the Python code that I had to write. So I had to learn this API, and I found a way to reverse engineer the API. So it's like an XML file basically. So yeah, so you can actually hack the XML file and you can learn the calls to the API. Alright, so I'm going to run the code and let's see what happens. So here you have the robotic arm. It has a block. It's going to pick the block and it's going to place the block back and forth. And I have set it in a loop, so it's supposed to run 3 times and do the entire process 3 times. Okay. So this is my report for the next milestone. Thank you. So the robot begins now. Goes down. It'll pick the object and it's going to place it in the destination location. See which it does. And it's going to go back to the home position. And now it will have to lift the object again from the destination location, and it will bring it back to the source location from where we started. So that's the entire workflow of the robot, and it's done. So if you recall, I said I wanted it to do this process 3 times, right? So it's doing the process again. It's going to lift the object once more from the source, and it's going to move it to the destination, and it's going to place it, and it's going to go back to the home before it moves it back to the source location once again. Okay? Right, let it do it. Right, it's doing it. And it's done. Okay. So this is my update for my contribution for the project, for the final project, and I just wanted to give this update for the team and for the professor. Thank you.